there is a Virgin CPR which is plotted. So in our indicator, the Virgin CPR will show as VC. This is the 9th June. So this is a Virgin CPR. We can see that price opened gap up on that particular day, and this is a Virgin CPR. So hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Virgin CPR. So we already know the concept CPR and how can we understand the direction of the market or bias of the market when you look into the chart by using the CPR and different types of CPRs also. So we are going to learn what is called Virgin CPR today. Okay, a money zone level that was never touched during its session of the origin is called Virgin money zone level. Okay, the current day if the price didn't touch the CPR zone, and that will consider as a Virgin CPR. Okay, so Virgin money zone level can be extremely important reference point in the upcoming sessions. Okay, if the price didn't touch the CPR today, it will be considered as Virgin CPR for the next trading days, as market participants will usually drive price back towards this untouched level for a test at a future point in time. That is called Virgin CPR. I will show that with the examples. A CPR is considered as virgin, okay, when the price of the company's stock does not cross any of its lines. So here we can see an example. This is called CPR. DTC means daily top central pivot. This is the pivot point and this is the bottom central pivot. Okay, so here we can see that price opened gap up and price didn't touch any of these lines. That is, price didn't touch the TC or daily pivot or BC. So these three lines price didn't touch. So it is considered as Virgin CPR. Okay, and also this Virgin CPR can act as support and resistance. Okay, so this is called Virgin CPR. Okay, so when you draw a line for the next days, this line will act as the Virgin CPR. What are the other features of the Virgin CPR? So Virgin CPR refers to a scenario where the price do not touch the CPR, that is central pivot range levels, throughout the entire trading session. For that particular day, the price will not touch the CPR. Okay, so this typically indicates that there is a strong trending conditions as the price movement is decisive enough to stay away from the central pivot area. Also, Virgin CPR is seen as the confirmation of strong momentum in the market, suggesting that the prevailing trend may continue. So if there is any Virgin CPR for the upcoming sessions, this particular CPR will remain as Virgin CPR, and traders will expect that there is a strong trend is there, that confirmation of the strong momentum. Okay, and many traders use this setup to validate the strength and reliability of the trend. This is the Nifty chart. Okay, so here this is the customized CPR indicator, that is TCLC, dynamic support and resistance. Okay, so I have already uploaded a video based on this, how to enter into the trade and what are the settings I have already explained. So those who are watching this video first time, so I'll explain once again. I'll go to the inputs. So here we have an option that is show major and minor levels, show levels and show history. So if you are unchecking the show history, we cannot see the previous sessions CPR or previous sessions previous day high and low levels. So I'll always enable the show history, and if you want to see tomorrow's CPR, you can enable the show next day levels. Okay, and this level, this is plot Virgin CPR count. This is the new feature we have added in this particular customized indicator. Okay, so this I will explain to you. And show labels and show label values. Show labels means it will give you the labels, that is CR3 means Camarla R3, CS3 is Camarla S3. Okay, so here we can see that this is CR3 is Camarla R3, CS3 is Camarla S3, and PDH is previous day high and PDL is previous day low, and that levels also available. And TC is top central pivot, PC is bottom central pivot, pivot is P. Okay, and after that MPP and WPP is also available. MPP means monthly pivot point, WPP means weekly pivot point. All right, and show major and minor levels we can see once we go to the style, And here we have an option called show moving averages. So if you want to see the moving averages, you can just enable this, and here I have given like 4 moving average. You can add 4 moving average, and based on which type of trader you are, you can enable that. 20 you can add, or else if you want to add any number, that is 50 moving average, 100, 200, or 34 moving average, even 13 moving average, any moving average, depends upon your trading style, you can add it. Here TF is what is called time frame. TF is time frame. So if you are looking the chart in 5 minutes time frame, you can keep even the 3 minutes time frame moving averages, or if you want to keep 1 hour 20 moving average, you can change that to 60. Okay, and you can change the time frame to any time frame, and you can see the chart in the lower time frame or even the higher time frame. So that is the advantages of using this indicator. And after that, there is one more option called plot Bollinger Band. So if you want to enable the plot Bollinger Band, you can just check that Bollinger Band. So you can see the Bollinger Band also in this chart. Okay, and click on OK. So you can see that Bollinger Band is available. Okay, so if you don't want, you can just uncheck the plot Bollinger Band. And show PRZ, that is a potential reversal zone, that also you can change to any time frame. So as we are doing intraday, I have enabled it as 1 a day, that is daily. So once we go to the style, there is an option called SR, that is called support and resistance 1, support and resistance 2, support and resistance 3. Okay, so here support and resistance 1 is the minor support and resistance. Okay, so here we can see that this is a minor support and resistance level. Here we can change the price line to any shape. Here I have kept that is yellow in color. This is the level, that is support resistance 1, and support and resistance 2 is the diamond in shape, that is a major level. Support and resistance 3 is purple in color. Okay, and once you go here we are setting the moving averages. Once we go to the style, see here we can change the color accordingly. Okay, so now what is the next level we have added is, that is a new feature added to this particular indicator, is plot Virgin CPR count. So we have enabled this Virgin CPR also if you are trading today, and here we can set the count, that is previous sessions, how many Virgin CPR you want to see for this particular day. That is I have enabled like 4 Virgin CPR, that is what are the Virgin CPR that we have in the previous sessions, that is 4 sessions. It will take the if you have any Virgin CPR for the last month, 4 Virgin CPRs are there, that CPR will be we can see for today's session. Okay, then click on OK. So now we can see here, this is the February 1, and also here we can see this is the Jan 31st, and this is the Virgin CPR. Here we can see this is the 9:15 candle, price opened at R3. Price opened at R3, and from there we can see that the Nifty is moving up, trending upside. And again, so this is the PDH level, and this is the potential reversal zone. Again we can see here, this is the next day, that is February 1st, price didn't touch the Virgin CPR. So here is the Virgin CPR. I will go to the horizontal line and I will place a line here. So when the price touched the Virgin CPR, you can see here 3rd February, price has touched the Virgin CPR, and after that we can see that there is a price reversed from this particular level. Okay, so here we can see this is a Virgin CPR. These 3 lines will be the Virgin CPR, and from there we can see that there is a reversal in the price. Okay, so here we can look for a long trade. So this is like how we want to look into the Virgin CPR. So these lines will be plotting for the current day sessions. So as we are looking into the history, that as we are looking into the February month, the Virgin CPR we cannot see here. So if you are looking into today is June month, right? So if you are looking into the chart for today's date, then the Virgin CPR we can see in the chart that I will show you. Okay, so how to take the trade based on this particular indicator? So this is a minor resistance support level. So here we can see that there is a breakdown below this red candle. You can look into any time frame, 3 or 5 minutes. Okay, so below this red candle you can enter into the short trade, keeping the high as stop loss, and after that you can book your profits. Okay, so here there is no trade based on the no dynamic support and resistance indicator, but we got a trade based on the Virgin CPR. Okay, and this day also Virgin CPR. So what we can do, we can plot a line here in the Virgin CPR, and when the price touch this particular session, we can see how the price is reacting. So I will go to the horizontal ray again, and I will put the line. So we can see here the price touched this particular level. I will go to the horizontal line and I'll put the ray. So these are the three lines. So we can see on Feb 10th price came down and from our minor support resistance level. So we can enter into the short trade and below the weekly pivot and below the monthly pivot. This MPP is monthly pivot, the WPP is weekly pivot. So our bias is look for short trade, and we are into the short trade. We can book our profits according to our comfort, that is option premium. How many points you are looking into, you can book your profits. So here we can see that there is a Virgin CPR. So this is the TC level, and this is the top central pivot. And immediately once the price touches to that particular level, we can see that there is a bounce. Okay. So till now I have explained you how to look into the TCLC dynamic support and resistance indicator and how to take the trade based on that. Okay, that is based on these three lines and potential reversal zones also, and also what is Virgin CPR and how to look into the Virgin CPR and how can we take the trade based on the Virgin CPR. So in Nifty, I have explained you 3 months back data, that is historical data. Now this is the Google instrument. So I will show you the current day, how the CPR will plot for the current day session. So today is 12th June. Okay, here we can see there is a Virgin CPR which is plotted. So in our indicator, the Virgin CPR will show as VCPR. That is means V means Virgin CPR. Okay, so when was the Virgin CPR date also it is mentioned here. That is 9th June. That is 9/6/2025. We can see that there is a Virgin CPR. Okay, so when you go to the chart here this is the 9th June. So this is a Virgin CPR. We can see that price opened gap up on that particular day, and this is a Virgin CPR. So that is enabled here. So that level is enabled here. So if the market opens today and if the price opening here, or if we get any reversal from here, we can take the trade based on that particular level. Alright, and I have enabled the 2 days count is 2 day. You can enable in any number like 3, 4, 5, 6, that is it will enable the previous days, that is how many Virgin CPR in the previous sessions, that will enable those many CPRs. So we can see here that there are two CPRs. One is for 9th June and another is for 6th June. When you go to the 6th June, here this is for 6th June. 6th June also price open gap up, and that is also one more Virgin CPR. So if the price open at this particular level, or if the price is coming from here and we get any reversal from this level, we can look for a long trade from this point. So this is how we have to look into the trade using the Virgin CPR. So this indicator will work for all the instruments.